magah agus fáilte chdial gotáil straí a úsach má féchcin agus am gotóide go bhfuil an talháin agus an chéinteach go bhí dú aiche ach an cáil agus há sin déidir seachcin is lé há seachcin úsach má idir agin ag féis in an áit idir seo agus an blád an óir agus tung táir dífar tachartasan idir bhí dul sa scíide as a daosta, as a scór agus an eiste sa tála agus an cáisiúmsa go perisianta chumór bhí a strathi. Warm welcome to you all. I hope you're all well. Yes. It's lovely for us all and me personally to be here in Strathie Hall, and it's so nice to see the place full. So thank you so much for coming out tonight. We're here and I guess celebrating the end of the. We're not celebrating the end, that sounds terrible. But celebrating a great week that we've had at Feish in the North, and it's been a real delight and a pleasure to be teaching these wonderful children and young adults all week. I'm not sure that I've ever come across a bunch so keen and so enthusiastic, and they're so talented as well. It's been a real joy. And they did an amazing concert this afternoon, and so now it's our turn, the tutors, to play a little bit. Agus fé mé íse go bhfuil chun nach ich noch a dollamach beo is Feish TV nach sinne ha Örstach ha sinne we're going. This concert is actually going out. It's been broadcast streamed live at Feish TV, which is a relatively new thing, and it's a wonderful opportunity for relations and family and music fans to watch what's going on in the Highlands especially. And so this is happening tonight, and we'd like to start off the concert in the best possible fashion. So with the in Shani Machdud, I used to Jess. I guess this is the best possible. Are you ready, Patricia? Okay. We'd like to ask Shani to start the night the best possible way. What else but on the pipes? So I'll give Shani a big word of welcome. Well, Chalburin and Bayard, that was an amazing start to the night. Shirley McIntyre from South Uist. I'd like to invite now two great musicians onto the stage. Somebody's been teaching fiddle all week and he had one particularly difficult pupil, my daughter. So I'd like to welcome to the stage from Inverness, Mr. Duncan Chisholm. Not teaching this week, but who's been playing the sessions and passing a lot of the time fishing and doing lots of relaxing things for the last few days. This is Mr. Eamon Dooley from Dublin. As je hier in je taal geeft, cattle kierig molen. This is just a little lullaby that it's called Cattle Kierig molen, and I suppose like any lullaby in any language, it's just assuring the child that their mother will always be there for them. So this is Sleep Softly, My Beloved. sin all this week. We had a lovely tune last night. I forgot what I was saying. We had a lovely tune last night in the store. In Betty Hill, and there was lots of people crammed into a very small space. But it was very, very nice. I've had a few tunes with Gordon. I think one of the loveliest things for the tutors, I think, at the Face is to get together and have tunes in the evening. We pretend it's really all for the kids, but it's actually for us too, because we have a very nice time. So we'll sing a wee set of Push to Braille. These are 3 Muth music songs. Yes? Right. shoe the foot on the money charity. Each and even hit it on the heat and you run a feature on the shoe the foot on the money charity. Each and even hit it on the heat and you run a feature on the shoe the foot on the money charity. Each and even hit it on the heat and you run a feature on the shoe the foot on the money charity. We are the kayak that do you on the money charity.
Linda, number 2.
Oh, we're not used to electricity in Beaulieu. Yes. We've got Adi coming up here and Richard Smith over here as well. Wonderful Richard Smith. It's been a wonderful week here in the North Coast. The North Coast here. I've had the family up, and both the boys have been at the classes, and they've been really enjoying it. In fact, Isaac, my eldest is 10, announced that he wanted to learn the fiddle.
Yes!
As a result of hearing Gordon Gann, he's listened to me like hundreds of times and doesn't want to play the fiddle. Listens to Gordon once and he's wanting to play the fiddle.
I was worried that you go with the accordion.
So that's great. Isaac's he's a fantastic individual, and I was in the car with him just last week, and I don't know if you get Maryfirth Radio up here, do you?
Oh, definitely.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, so whenever we go in the car now, Maryfirth Radio has to go on. It's a must. So every Saturday morning, those of you who listen to it on a regular basis will know that there's a joke competition, and Isaac's going through this period of totally loving jokes. He's got joke books all over the place, and every Saturday the man on Maryfirth Radio says you have to phone in, and he gives you a noun or a place or something like that, and the word has to be part of the joke, you see. So we're driving along, and oh dear. 30 years in the business and I can't tune my fiddle. So anyway, we're driving along, and the man on the radio said, right, okay, the joke competition today is, it has to have the word London in it. And he was sitting in the passenger seat. He says, I know a joke about London, it's in one of my books. I must go and get it. So it was in the back seat, so he was scrambling around in the back seat, and he was looking through this book. And eventually he found it. He says, I've got it. I said, what is it? And he said, did you hear about the man who taught his dog to play the trumpet on the London Underground? And I said, no. And he said, he went from barking to tooting in 20 minutes. And I burst out laughing, you see, and he said, I don't get that, Dad. A fiddle take, thank you very much. And so we've been playing this tune. We played it in was it Tang and Tail the other night, and then we played it. Where were we?
Again.
Somebody else. And so we're going to play it again. It's an old French-Canadian tune written by a man called Johnny Mooring and played many years ago. There was a great French-Canadian fiddler called called Rudy Meeks, toured Scotland, and he was on Robbie Shepherd, and I had the great good fortune of my uncle Don West. He recorded this particular tune on a cassette and then gave it to me. He said, learn it. So 30 years on, I'm still playing it. So anyway, it's called the Dolphin Waltz. So like this. Thank you.
It's a bonny tune, don't it? Bonny tune. We're going to play a wee tune. We recorded this years ago, don't you remember? In a band called Session United, that's right. And it's a great tune, and it's written by a good friend of us, a guy called Charlie McCurran, who writes hundreds of good tunes, to be honest. You know, he's a great composer and a good friend. So, and this is a tune called The Rizla. Do you know any stories behind it, Duncan, or why it's called that?
Apparently it's a cigarette paper.
Cigarette paper, is it? Oh,
We swallowed them too.
And then we're going to try a couple of jigs. The first one, Duncan, is Roaring Barmaid, is that right?
Play the Roaring Barmaid, and then my favourite jigs in the world, the Lark in the Morning.
It's a great tune. So anyway, something goes something like this. There you go. Something like this.
dad's tunes. First one's called Jim Christie Wick, and the other one is The Barraburn Reel, followed by, well, it's an Irish tune, then it's not one of my dad's. It's called The Reconciliation Reel.
Gordon Brennan is bigger than me. So we're all going to play together for you now, and would you please welcome the boys from Sail West? Up till now, it's just been three at least. There's a lot of whispering going on stage here. They're not usually this polite.
Apparently this tune is good for getting rid of midges.
Hello. So we've got a wee special announcement to make. There's a wee birthday in the house. It's Andy's good lady, Christina. So we're going to sing her happy birthday. Hope you're all on fine voice. We've rehearsed this as well. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christina. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns.
first one's called Malachy Bridge.
The
I
second
do know
one
that.
is called Kitty's Wedding.
Gordon. We've got the first two tunes. Two's just bass followed by two reels. We'll play them for you just now. You don't really need some other names. It'll go in one ear and out the other, just like the rest of us. Right.
Over the last week, every participant at all the three Féis Vig Vídach, Féis Vig agus Féis Mór, they've all been coming together. Crain Cálmach, Hula Matting, son big and shiny in a Cálmach. Agus Ashneith Echichu Mavadi, Imsachach, Gav. So this is a song which is from Sutherland that the children have all been singing all week. I would like to invite any of the participants who would like to come up and sing with us. I don't know, should we, Caroline and Barry, have them on the stage or at the front? At the front? That was a decision from the ranks there. Okay. Do you want to come up then? Do you want to come and stand here? That'd be lovely. Come on, come on. Come on, Anna. And just as the kids are getting themselves sorted, I'd like just to take a moment to tell you about a really wonderful new fund that has been launched tonight in memory of Jeanette Mackay, an amazing woman who I'm sure needs no introduction to anybody in this room. She was an absolute force of nature and someone with great vision and amazing energy like I have never seen in anyone else. And she is really sadly and greatly missed always, but most especially at this time of year at Fèis Éireann. But her family have been doing an amazing job, so we'd like to thank particularly now Caroline, Valerie, Kat and Natasha, and everybody, all the committee, Sandra too, everybody else who has done so much to make the Fèis happen this year. Could you give them a big round of applause? And this is a really wonderful and special thing in Jeanette's memory. It is a fund. She worked closely with, I think, every single community group north of Inverness, as far as I can gather, and she was in charge of most of them. If she wasn't officially in charge of most of them, she unofficially was in charge of most of them. And she worked closely with SSE and the Wind Farm, who have been a major funder of this Fèis. And there's now been a fund set up in her memory which will provide grants of up to £500 for young musicians in this area who want to further their musical training. So it's a really amazing thing. So we'd like to, if anyone locally, any of the young adults and kids who'd like to find out more about it, there's information at the door. But we'd also like to take this opportunity to thank SSE, Strathy North Community Benefit Fund, and also the other funders and helpers, people who've contributed to make the Fèis happen. I'm going to name them all just now. Strathy and Armorial Community Council, Betty Hill Community Council, Melville Community Council, Wildlands, Fèis na Gael, Creative Scotland, HIE, Bosch na Gaelic, Highland Council, and all the local councillors here. And of course, all of the Fèis team. Would you give them a huge round of applause? Just to let you know, after the song, there will be teas and refreshments. Teas over at the back in the kitchen, some refreshments in the bar area. And of course, the raffle. So if you haven't got your raffle tickets yet, they're over there. There's some amazing prizes. There's a Duncan Chisholm CD.
Last prize.
But anyway, so yes, if you have got your raffle tickets, grab them at the interval, and we're going to draw the raffle right after the break. So we'll take a break after this, and we'll leave you with these amazing young people singing in Chi Juliu Mavadi.
Chi Juliu
to leave you in the very capable hands of the wonderful Trio West.
Well, good evening, folks. Big thank you to Julie Fowlis for the welcome there. We've had a great week as part of the Fèis Éireann, and as all the other tutors have said, the kids have been a real delight to work with. Very keen musicians, and there's some brilliant musicians in amongst them as well, so it's been great to work with them, and we're delighted to be able to play here tonight at the finale concert. So we're going to get things going with a wee set of jigs and reels. It's called the Box and Whistle set, so it starts off with myself and Shawnee playing a couple of tunes and then finishes off with a wee reel that was written by a friend of mine, for myself actually. It's called Ian Smith's Reel, and Addie's a big fan of that tune, so it's a wee tune for Addie this time, the last one of this one. So here's a wee set of jigs and reels. As I say, that was a wee set of tunes called the Box and Whistle Set, and we're going to carry on now with a song. Any Dubliners fans here? Hey, good. So this is a song that Shawnee learned from the Dubliners. Shawnee's quite a big Dubliners fan, and it's a wee song this time called McAlpine's Fusiliers. So it's another one off our album, and if anybody knows the words, it'd be nice to hear you sing along. So this is McAlpine's Fusiliers. Thank you very much, folks. Well, I have to admit, this is actually the most nervous I've felt at a gig in a while. Not only have we got a full hall here, but we've also, as Julie mentioned, we've got Phage TV here, filming and broadcasting live online. And I was speaking to Shawnee at the break, and he was very nervous, he said, because not only because it was Phage TV, but two of the finest Gaelic singers in the world are actually behind the cameras. For those of you at home, this camera over here, I don't know which one's live, is being being used by Arthur Cormack, and the one over here is Callum McMillan. So Shawnee's very nervous, and even more so. Good hand for the two of them, hopefully they'll sing along with this one as well. As you done the home a lot in Yiddish, the Oran Gaelic, Uyush to Jace, Oran a Chachis Krier, the Ruri ein Heimpel, Agus, Oran a Klar Shinja Eithid, Klar Ahien. This one's called Fegi Igraich, and we want to hear Callum Alec and Arthur sing along for this one. Fegi Igraich.
Fegi grais tu gak mi bulach gan sund Smi shol gedrast har salja strani alon Hanoi geflog fors vi hos ska komma likus Støtten an svoin alvoi von I aldrig hudju Von I aldrig hudju eisiau mochas smyn drast goffad efo hir ach yn rhod am ei crat gybraich gynnadrych mi yn rhywdwylwch y chorn yn gair eich cael ei moch
So that song there was sung by Mr. Shawnee McIntyre, who you'll see is sporting a fantastic headband there, which we do have for sale at the front door. I was actually speaking to Arthur before we started filming, and I said, is there any room for any commercial breaks in this Phage TV broadcast? He said, no. I said, well, I'll fit some into my onto the Trail West performance. So, headbands for sale at the door, £5, CDs for £10, and for those of you at home, is that the camera, Arthur? Is it this one? I'll go for this one. For those of you at home, you can buy them on their website at www.trail-west.com. Anyway, sounded like Angus McPhail from Skippinish there, but I'm getting there. We're very lucky not only to have one fantastic singer in the band, we've also got Mr. Jonathan Gillespie to my right-hand side here, who's going to also give us a couple of songs as the night goes on. And just now he's going to sing one that it's got a nice easy chorus, so just sing along if you can pick it up. This one's called The Mermaid.
It's Friday on the beach and sea, but we were not far from the land. And our captain is playing a lady to fair, with a comb and a glass in her hand. And the ocean waves are roll, and the stars may well still roll. And blackbird sailors are skipping in the town, while I'm living the line down below. The line lovers lie down below. And I spoke the captain, now I got a ship, and I brave old skipper last week. So this fishy mermaid is warmly burning, we shall sing to the run of the sea. And the ocean waves do roll, and the star waves do roll. And we poor sailors are skipping in the sun, while I'm never the line down below. The line never lie down below. I spoke the boat on our gallant ship, and a fine young man was he. Till I had a sweetheart in St. John's by the sea, till I'd seen the wave never for me. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do roll. And we poor sailors are skipping in the top, while I'm living the line down below. The line lovers lie down below. sails on, spun her gallant ship, and she sank to the bottom of the sea. And the ocean may sail, and the stormy winds blow, and the anchor sailors skipping around the top, while the land never lie down below, while the land never lie down below. And the ocean may sail, and the stormy winds blow, and the anchor sailors skipping around the top, while the land never lie down below, while the land never lie down below, while the land never lie down below, while the land never lie down below. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again. Okay, we're going to slow things down this time, and we're going to give you a wee waltz that was written by a musical hero of ours, Mr. Malcolm Jones of Runrig. We actually were very lucky that Malcolm joined us on our second CD for a tune that he wrote called Close to Home. And on our last CD there, we decided to record this one. It's one we heard on Donald Black's album, the great Boothie player, and it was a wee tune that Malcolm had written for his mother. It's called Mary Kay's Waltz, and we've actually talked at this page before, and when we talked here last year, quite a lot of the children wanted to learn this tune, so we don't actually play it that often now, but we thought we'd throw it in especially for all the children that have attended the Fashion over the last few years, and that we've had the privilege of working with. So this one's Mary Kay's Waltz. We're just working out how it starts again. Thank you very much. A lovely wee tune. Very much a favourite of ours. That was Mary Kay's Waltz. Okay, so I think it's time for some audience participation. Are you all in the mood for singing tonight? No? No. Who said that? You were singing earlier on. Well, I think we'll get Shawnee to teach you the words to this song. It's a really easy one, and hopefully a couple of you might know it already. It's a song that we recorded on our second album, and it's called South Australia. Anybody here know that one? A couple of folk down the front, and a few folk up the back. That's good to see. Callum Arthur, you'll know this one, huh? This one's South Australia. Shawnee will teach you the words for those of you who don't know it. It'll be great to hear you all singing along.
You need to belt it out now. So the first line of the chorus goes, haul away your rolling king, haul away your rolling king. Next line, heave away, haul away, heave away, haul away, haul away, you'll hear me sing, haul away, you'll hear me sing. We're bound for South Australia. Bound for Strathy Hall. Well, fire on. I'll have a wee slow warm-up for you. In South Australia I was born. Heave away, haul away. In South Australia, round Cape Horn, we're bound for South Australia. Here's your bit. Haul away, the rolling king. Heave away, haul away, haul away. You'll hear me sing. We're bound for South Australia. Pretty good, let's pick up the pace. Haul away, you'll hear me sing. We're bound for South Australia. As I walked out one morning tune this while I talk. We're going to do a wee song from Ireland now. I think some of the accordionists did this in your class, did they? So
We did a wee bit of it, I think. A few of them did it today, so a few of them were struggling to pick it up a wee bit actually. So hopefully after you've heard it tonight, you can go home and practice this one, okay? A few folk in the front row there.
So, it's a wee song called The Homes of Donegal. To point out actually, Jonathan here in the keys, he's from Glasgow, but his family's all from Donegal, so he's the Irish boy in the band. So this one's for Jonathan, the Donegal boy. Should probably be him singing it, not me. But anyway, it's a nice wee song, and if you know the words, it'd be great if you could sing along with us. That'll do. Oh.
Oh, I just came in to see you all. I'll only stay a while, and I want to see how you're getting on, and I want to see your smile. I'm happy to be back again. I'll greet you big and small, for there's no place else on earth just like the homes of Donegal.
Donegal.
Cool.
Final with a wee song called Macpherson's Rant. Farewell, the dungeon's dark and slant. I'll long farewell take thee. Macpherson's time will no be long on yonder gallows tree. 'Twas by a woman's treacherous hand that I was condemned to die. She called me over to the windowsill, and a blanket she threw over me. I say Anton Lay, I say Anton Lay, say Anton Lay, he played a tune and he danced in the room below the gallows tree. I had laid on grass, all that he lived stands, first laid hands on me. He pleased the cause, no Peter Broom, laid Macpherson deep. A time's man, stay off my hands and bring to me my soul. 'Cause there's no another man in all of Scotland away from my town. Say Anton Lay, and say Anton Lay, say Anton Lay, lady. Oh, he played a tune and he danced in the room below the gallows tree. Well, there's some from here now to see me hanged. I stopped to buy my fiddle, but before that I depart we have all back and over the hill. And he's taken the fiddle into both his hands, and he's backing it over us. Say there's no one others will play or not when I am dead and I say Anton Lay, and say Anton Lay, say Anton Lay, he played a tune and he danced in the room below the gallows tree. Let's see you, boys! My mother think when first did she cradle me that I would turn to the roving trade and I die on the gallows tree. And a grieve was coming o'er the brig of Banff for to set Macpherson free. And so they put the clock in 4:15 and they hanged him from the tree. I say Anton Lay, I say Anton Lay, say Anton Lay, he
Thank you once again. We're coming towards the end of our set now. We've got maybe time for one more song and one more tune set. So we're going to do a wee song this time. This one, we're actually doing we had a great tune session in Tongue on Tuesday evening, and it was obviously mostly tunes, but a lot of the youngsters were wanting to hear this song. So luckily Jonathan was willing to give them a wee blast of it. It's a song that was written by Andy M. Stewart, who sang with Silly Wizard, and it's one that we recorded on our latest album, and I hope you all know the words, so because I want to hear you sing along. It'd be great to hear some of the youngsters sing with this one. Great to see the youngsters in the front singing along there, absolutely brilliant. So once again, thank you very much for being such a great audience. We hope you've enjoyed the night. Can we get a big hand for all the artists in the first half? I will name them all, but I'll probably forget one or two of them, so it was great to join them on stage as well. And yes, a huge round of applause for the organisers of Fèis here and Ard. Absolutely brilliant job, one of the best Fèis we've been at. So thanks again for having us, folks. Big hand for them. So we're going to finish off with a wee set on the pipes. So we started off the night with the pipes, we might as well finish it off. And this is a wee set called Bernie's Second Debut. So it's a set of jigs. Feel free to get the hands clapping and the feet tapping as the set goes on. First tune's a tune written by Alistair White, the great fiddler from Lewis. And it's finishing off with a tune called Jimmy McGregor. So a great wee set to finish off. Thanks again for being such a great audience. I hope you've enjoyed your night. More than thanks. Thank you. much. You're all very kind. I think we've got enough room for one more set, so we're going to do... a wee tune. Another one written by Malcolm Jones is the one I mentioned earlier on. It's called Close to Home. And then we're going to go into the two reels at the end as well. So Close to Home and then Genalic Reels. So that's a wee set from our first album called Wait Till I Tell Genalic. So thank you once again for being such a great audience. We've thoroughly enjoyed being up here and we'll hopefully see you all again. I'm sure Shawnee will introduce the band throughout this tune as well. So this one's Close to Home. Thank you once again. More time.
Continues to grow from strength to strength. This is brilliant to see. Thanks to the other tutors as well. They've gone far and wide. I'll introduce these boys to the stage. Far right hand side of the stage on the keys. From Glasgow, Mr. Jonathan Gillespie. Beside him there in the accordion, from the Isle of Teddy, Mr. Ian Smith.
Last but not least, folks, from the Isle of South Uist, please put your hands together for